In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make really attractive PowerPoint 2025, step by step. Open your browser and search for PowerPoint. Once you're on the official site or app, sign in with your account so your work saves automatically. From the homepage, choose Create Blank Presentation. This opens the editing view where we'll build everything. Let's start by giving the slide a clean background. Right-click on the slide background to open the background options. Look for solid fill, then click the small arrow next to it to expand the choices. Choose a color that supports your topic and has enough contrast with text. The moment you pick a color, your slide background will update. If you're unsure, softer neutrals or a single accent color often look polished and modern. Now let's bring in a strong image. Go to Insert, select Pictures, then choose this device. Browse to a photo on your computer and click Open. Once it drops onto the slide, resize it by dragging from a corner until it fits your layout. Aim for high-resolution images and avoid stretching too tall or too wide, which can make them look distorted. On the right side, you may see design suggestions. Scroll through the options and preview layouts that automatically arrange your image and text. When you see one you like, click it to apply. These suggestions can save time and help maintain a cohesive look. Next, edit your title. Click in the title placeholder and type your headline. Select the text and choose a font style that matches your tone. Clean sans serif for modern or a tasteful serif for formal. Adjust the font size using the drop-down arrow until it's readable from a distance. And change the font color from the color drop-down so it contrasts well with your background. Keep it simple. 2 fonts max and clear hierarchy between title and body. To add more content, go to Insert and click New Slide. This creates your second page where you can continue your story. From Insert, you can add a text box, table, pictures, cameo, video, audio, shapes, stock images, icons, smart art, or a chart. Just click the element you want to place it on the slide. Keep spacing consistent and let visuals support the key message rather than overwhelm it. For a polished finish, add transitions. Click the Transitions tab and select a transition that fits your style. Subtle options often look more professional than flashy ones, so pick one and keep it consistent across slides. That's it. Clean background, purposeful images, thoughtful typography, organized slides, and smooth transitions for a truly attractive PowerPoint.